Hi friends. Rotary in Mumbai College District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this year, many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference to the society and make Rotary seen. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as WizBiz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. This WizBiz Talk Show is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding, more proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who by virtue of the selfless work towards the community have reached important decisive positions. And their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, we have a very special guest today. A special guest, a very close friend, a Rotarian with more than 3 decades of experience in Rotary. A Rotarian from one of the most prestigious clubs in Mumbai, that is Rotary Club of Devnar. Yes, friends, he is Rotarian Rajendra Date from Rotary Club of Devnar. By classification, he is into building repairs, waterproofing and structural audits. He tries to keep things simple, straightforward and uncomplicated. But he ain't a saint. This dependable, organized and self-disciplined Rotarian with passion and determination is a core team member for Vision 2020 and will be taking over as District Secretary for clubs in the same year to ensure that his clubs reach all the unprecedented heights in time to come. So friends, here it's a pleasure to present in front of you my own dear and close friend, Rotarian Rajendra Date.
Hi friends, hello Rotarians from 3141. It's absolutely a pleasure to meet all of you. And I must congratulate DG Sunil and CC Manish Motwani for this wonderful initiative which gives us a platform to present ourselves and also our ideas of our own business as well as our ideas towards how we can benefit the Rotary. Thank you Manish for this opportunity.
Most welcome Rajendra. In fact, I should thank you for accepting my invitation and coming on the show. You are my celebrity for the day and I am just a host. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Rajendra, now I have known you since years. We've worked together and in these last couple of years, we've really worked very closely. But there's so many others who would like to know something more about you. I want you to speak something about you as a person and something about your family life.
Okay, I was born at Indore, but schooled and entire schooling and education was in Mumbai. I started my business. I was working with a paint company earlier. Then I branched out on my own, started a civil contracting company. And about 10 years back, I thought it's enough of civil contracting because too much of headache, too much of hands-on involvement. Then about in 2010, I thought, why not start a consultancy firm of my own? Then I joined hands with a person called Shekhar Gokhale. He's a licensed structural engineer. So together we have a firm called Simcon Designers and Consultants Private Limited. We are into civil engineering consultancy solutions. One of the focus areas is building repairs and waterproofing. And also we carry out structural audits and we are licensed to carry out structural audits in the entire MMRDA region. That is Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Mira Bhayandar, Kalyan Dombivli, Panvel, and all those areas. So all put together, we are in this line. I have personal experience of almost about 25 plus years. And family-wise, of course, Swati is a HR professional. She's been working in banks. First, she was at ICICI Bank. Then she was working with a company called First Data, and now she's back into a bank called RBL Bank. She is one of the in the leadership position in the human resource department. We of course live at Chembur and been a Rotarian since 1992. And very fortunately, I was inducted into a club called Devnar, which you just described as one of the premier clubs. And I feel very proud to be associated with that club, which has given many leaders beyond to the district and also beyond the district.
Rajendra, you are one amongst those leaders who the club has given, who has gone beyond the club and gone up to the district level. And your actions today at the district level will really make a huge impact in the way Rotary is seen in future too. Rajendra, you yourself have been a gift from Rotary Club of Devnar to the district, and you are at such a decisive position today that your actions will decide the fate of so many other clubs for whom you are a friend, philosopher, and guide. Taking over as the district secretary for clubs is itself a very, very responsible position. And I'm sure a person like you is going to do great justice to that position. Rajendra, you have told us something about your work, but we want to promote Rotarians working with Rotarians. We want that we in Rotary are bonded together by friendship, bonded together in Rotary for Rotary work. But why don't we get bonded together even from work point of view, from profession point of view, so that this small knit Rotary family can grow leaps and bounds and everyone grows and contributes more to Rotary. So tell us something more about your profession where others can also get associated with you. So who are the people who can come to you and get associated with you?
Sure. Manish, as I just described, I'm into consultancy business for building repairs, waterproofing, and structural audit. So today, every Rotarian today is virtually staying in some or the other building. And in Mumbai, typically in a cooperative housing societies. So as a mandate or as a law, every building needs to be audited after 15 years of age. So that auditing has to be done by a structural auditor who's licensed with Bombay Municipal Corporation or Thane Municipal Corporation or Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, wherever it is. So we are one of those licensed structural auditors. So just like some patient comes to you and you first go through a diagnostic process by asking them questions, asking them to carry out certain tests. So that's precisely what we do, but we do it for the structure. So as a structural auditors, the first step that we do is that we go to the building, we do a detailed survey of the building, identify what are the defects in the building, deficiencies in the building, what issues are being faced by the building at this point in time. And then we also provide suggested remedial measures as to what all needs to be done. So the diagnostic part ends there. So we suggest to them what all needs to be done for the building in terms of कि भाई आपका ये column खराब है, beam खराब है, ये करना पड़ेगा, waterproofing के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. Again, within that also there are different techniques. So one particular technique doesn't apply to all problems. So every problem, for every building, the solution is a tailor-made design solution. So from my side, I can also always say that this is a service which I can render to every Rotarian, because every Rotarian is living in some other building today. So what I can assure is that, like I always try to call myself, I always try to keep things simple, straightforward. So I always ensure that my client gets a very honest and clear-cut advice, and not necessarily always advice by which I can get some money out of it. There have been that is what the consultant's credibility comes into picture.
Rajendra, why would people get more attracted towards you? We do businesses and profession with so many other people also. But Rotarians are people whom we really trust. There is ethics,
Absolutely.
There is genuinity, there is transparency. I never say that others are not so. Everyone would be so. But for us, we would know a Rotarian directly and we can blindly trust them because we know each and every Rotarian would be following the 4-way test of Rotary. And that is the reason we can directly, blindly follow anyone. For others, it takes time to develop that confidence in others. But for Rotarians, it won't take time. So
Absolutely.
yes, any and every Rotarian who wishes to do something like this, because as much as I also understand, redevelopment is a huge headache. You have to go through so many permissions and then taking care of various small things, BMC permissions, multiple things which can be difficult. Yes, you can always make your own place a bit more stronger, bit more better, and where someone like you can really come out handy. Rajendra, this is fantastic.
Incidentally, we also do project management consultancy in redevelopment, but currently the redevelopment market is not good. So the entire focus is now shifted to re-strengthening the existing building.
Absolutely, and that is a lovely job that you're doing. I feel there will be so many amongst Rotarians, and even those non-Rotarians who are listening to you today will definitely feel like coming to a genuine person who can really do good for them. Now,
Absolutely. We don't, and also let me tell you that we don't stop only at giving advice. So we go a step beyond that. So whenever the client is ready, because whenever the client is ready with his budget, we draw up a plan of action. We draw up a scheme of repairs and to try to fit it into his budget, of course, considering the parameters. So we just don't stop at giving advice, but we also provide solutions which are end-to-end solutions. We also plan the scheme of repairs. We plan the entire work. We also help them in execution of the work, check the quality control of the work, and at the end, as per the compliance of the BMC is required, we issue a stability certificate, which is so it becomes, we complete the full circle right from survey of the building to issuing the stability certificate for the building. So that's what we call the end-to-end solutions. So the entire work is available to the clients under one roof, under one umbrella.
that's great, Rajendra. Rajendra, now coming up to your task for the year 2021. You have 3 decades of experience in Rotary. You have led your club, you've left so many other avenues, and you have been a strong team player. You have been a strategizer also for various projects, big and small. Now's the time for putting everything into action, because this is one of the biggest posts in Rotary, that is to nurture, grow, and support other clubs. And you have been given some excellent clubs in central Mumbai, and you are going to be their friend, philosopher, and guide. Let us know what are your plans for all your clubs in the year to come, and how do you plan to take these clubs to the next level.
Well, Manish, a district officer's job, particularly a district secretary's job, is always a little tricky. He has to maintain a certain distance from the club, because as we know that every club is a autonomous club, and no club president or a club BOD wants a direct interfere from any of the district officers. So this is a very delicate balance that the district secretary has to maintain, which I hope I'll try to maintain. But giving the at the same time, whenever the advice is asked for or whenever the advice is solicited, I will not shirk away from giving them the honest advice. Of course, keeping into principle the basic tenets and guidelines of Rotary and its ethics and its principles. Also, yeah, you were saying something?
I'm listening to you.
Okay. So also the times that we are going through are very, very difficult. So I think because of COVID, there are a lot of challenges of member retention. How will the club do projects? Many presidents are a little worried. They are a little demotivated. कि हमारे ही साल में ये सब क्यों आया? यही साल में मेरे को presidentship क्यों मिला? So one of the most important thing that I have been doing is जिसको बोलते हैं कि हौसला बढ़ाना. हर एक president का हौसला बढ़ाने का काम is right now on the top priority. I'm trying to tell them that may or may not be, you will not be able to achieve the same numbers as the last year what your presidents of your club has achieved, but that is fine, because finally as a president this is the year to consolidate, not necessarily to grow, because first 6 months are going to be in a doubt. We don't know whether we are able to go out and do the projects. We don't know what are going to be the TRF contribution. We don't know how much the members will come out on their own and donate for their own club projects. So this is the time to consolidate their clubs, maintain the strong camaraderie and fellowship and bonding. And once this difficult times are over, maybe 3 months down the line or 4 months down the line, keep your plans ready. And that's the time to take a leap.
Absolutely, Rajendra. This is called as a very clear concept, foresight, and even a very you're a very seasoned Rotarian. You know there can be ups and downs. You know that at this point of time, possibly a president who's becoming a president for the first time might get a little panicky or might get little aggressive and sometimes helpless, that I might not be able to do all that I had planned over so many years. But a sound and patient person like you, whom they've got with them in taking care of them, will always be the person who will give a right advice.
I
But
hope so.
I really feel that it will not be a disappointing year. It'll be just a few months, 1 or 2 or 3 months, and we'll be back in force. In fact, the Rotarians will be in a withdrawal. That those people who have been addicted to do good work for the community, we will be in a withdrawal. We
Absolutely.
would like to do work with more passion and more vigor. Also, some lovely initiatives that have been coming up. Something like Annapurna, which we are doing, where we are doing tying up with various other NGOs also, and ensuring that we come up with this 2 million challenge of feeding 2 million people in the month of July. This is not a small deed.
Absolutely.
Bagban, where we want to take care of the elderly who are away in elders' home or at home. We want to dedicate days and weeks to them. This is not a small job. We'll be getting lots of blessings. Doing tree plantation and taking care of the environment, cluster jungles and all cluster forest formations. This is also going to be a big work. Blood donations, because this is a time but people are shying away from going out and giving blood. This will be important. So many online things have come up. Something like Givers Gain has come up. Givers Gain, where you try to generate funds through waste and support Rotary Foundation for its activities.
Correct.
There are going to be tremendous projects coming up, and you would really appreciate the thought process of DG Sunil Mehra, where a person like him has given 36 new projects to Rotary. These are the visionary and impactful projects. And the blueprint, Rajendra, as you know, is already ready. The presidents have to just say that, yes, I want to do this project, and this project, and we can provide the entire blueprint for that project, and it will be so easy to conceive. There are specialists in each field who are there to help those presidents. So बस आपको उनकी सोच बढ़ानी है, उनको हमसे connect करवाना है, and you know that with a person like you leading there, supporting them, and being their friend, philosopher, and guide, these people are going to do a phenomenal work. We have all the confidence in you that you are going to lead with an example and going to ensure that Rotary 2020 year is going to be one of the best years for District 3141. Thank you, Rajendra, for your time coming on this show and sharing with us your thoughts about your own self, your business, and Rotary. We are really pleased to have you over here. Hope it was a nice time for you too.
Thank you, Manish. And like the Deonar tagline says, we make it happen. And I'm sure that together as a team, we can make it happen for 3141.
Fantastic. That's what we want. Congratulations.
Thank you, Manish.